Top 30 AB BN candidate for the Garo category of Meghalaya Police are number 1 Grikseng CH Marak. He get a total of 330 marks. Alberan D Marak 330. Vitnar A Sangma 328. Batsrang A Sangma 326. Henry Jackson R Sangma 317. Rajendro W Sangma 316. Last date M Sangma 307. Chebat K Marak 301. Bikash T Sangma 299. And this Monalai CH Momin is a female. He scored 297. Nick Jagring CH Momin scored 295. And 3 hit A Sangma 295. Chongrak M Sangma 294. Chinang W Sangma 294. Baltimius Momin 293. Jacob Lal Rem Twanga M Sangma 293. Anilesh N Sangma 293. Privish R Marak 293. Pringchang Sangma 291. Tengritha CH Marak, a female, number 3 in female. She scored 290. Rajit D Sangma 289. Jatingbert A Sangma 289. Kristar A Sangma 289. Pijoy R Marak 288. Mikason CH Marak 287. Senkri A Sangma 287. 7 Nita M Sangma, fourth in women, score 287. Up till now I've given 27 candidates and I will give more in the next video. For the Garo category, I give it in a mix with men and women. And the other SC/ST category, category up to 14 candidates. Number 1 Rebecca Bongpui is a female. She scored 328. Kormendro Rabha 307. Pikuna 306. Ganuraj Rabha 305. Bitul Rabha 304. Lapelin Shisha Inghi 303 is female. Diganto Rabha 303. Traidip Rabha 297. Daphne M. Y. Che 296. Murad Basfor 293. Dibos Rabha 293. Bandrilang Ingti 292. Bhim Hajong 288. Dip Rabha 285. This is for the order SC and ST category, both male and female mix. Okay, so for the next in the next video I will give more candidate only for this. Thank you.